Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to drink pre-workout coffee. To maximize your energy, aim to drink your coffee about 30 to 60 minutes before you start exercising. This timing allows the caffeine to fully absorb into your system, giving you that perfect boost when you need it most. It's a simple step that can make a big difference in your workout performance and focus. When choosing your pre-workout coffee, black coffee is generally best. It avoids unnecessary sugars and creamers that can cause a crash. A standard serving of 8 to 12 ounces usually provides between 95 and 200 milligrams of caffeine. Always consider your personal caffeine tolerance to ensure you get the right amount without feeling jittery or uncomfortable during your session. Hydration is key, so remember to drink water along with your pre-workout coffee. This helps counteract any diuretic effects and keeps you properly hydrated. Also, try to avoid consuming heavy meals right before your coffee and workout. Giving your body enough time to digest will prevent any stomach discomfort, allowing you to focus entirely on your exercise routine. Ultimately, the most important tip is to listen to your body. Everyone reacts differently to caffeine, so pay close attention to how you feel. Adjust the timing and amount of your coffee based on your personal energy levels and workout performance. If you have any underlying health conditions or concerns about caffeine intake, it's always wise to consult a healthcare professional.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.